BioExplore is a pioneering international research project funded by the European Union under the ENPI-CBC Med program to study biomedical activity in local Mediterranean flora. This is the first time that an in-depth analysis has been carried out for the study of bioactivity present in Mediterranean plants.
This is the very first time that a college in this country received such a big grant from any authorities like the European Community that allows the students and the staff of, specifically in this case, the biotechnology department, to be involved in research.
Led by the Hadassah Academic College, Jerusalem, Israel, the consortium includes the Biodiversity and Environmental Research Center from the Palestinian Authority, Leitat Technology Center from Spain, and the Hellenic Regional Development Center from Greece. Rutgers University and North Carolina State University from the United States are associate partners.
זה המחקר הראשון בעצם שממש בודק את צמחי ארץ ישראל. עכשיו הייחודיות זה הניסויים המיוחדים שהם מאפשרים לבדוק ביום אחד עשרות צמחים. כך שיכולנו בתקופה לא גדולה לבדוק ככה 1,000 דגימות של צמחים.
We found that trees, local trees that are very common in Israel, actually have medicinal activity.
Researchers, together with students from the Department of Biotechnology, applied Global Institute for Bioexploration methods to facilitate a rapid study of biomedical activity in a large quantity of plants collected from the field. The same approach was applied by all the partners. As a result, an innovative database of bioactive plants for the Mediterranean region was created.
The trees that anyone can go out from their house and pick the leaf and use it in their tea or as cream, and it is effective.
The students for the first time have been able to do research within the college. Up to now, this thesis was always done in laboratories outside the college, at universities or industry. For the first time, we have close to 20 students have been able to be involved in doing their research and producing very nice results from their research only as an outcome of the BioExplore program.
את פרויקט הגמר שלי, של התואר הראשון, ביצעתי במסגרת הפרויקט הזה, BioExplore, שעבודת הגמר שלי הייתה בעצם לפתח איזושהי שיטה, איזשהו פרוטוקול עבודה חדש, שבאמצעותו נוכל לסרוק מיצועי צמחים ולראות האם יש בהם פעילות אנטי-סרטנית.
The kit that we invented, which is for antiviral activity, was started working. We're using the herpes as the model for checking antiviral activity. There's a good potential that this way we'll be able to assess really which plants have antiviral activity, and maybe to eventually also make a new acyclovir or a new Zovirex, and which will be amazing.
We also want to show the students how to do real research. We actually go together to the field every week. We collect the plants. They do all the screens, they do all the experiments, they enter the data to the database, and they are involved in every part of the project, from the beginning to the end.
I remember every day we coming into the lab and looking in the microscope and getting excited if it worked. We actually were able to see how the project is advancing, and we were really part of the project and not just helpers from the side.
אני מאוד אוהבת את החלק של לעבוד בידיים, לראות את הדברים. אנחנו בונים את הפרוטוקול שאנחנו עובדים איתו במעבדה. זה אתגר, אנחנו מחליטים מה אנחנו צריכים לעשות, וזה נותן לנו את הכלים לעבוד בשטח, מה שאנחנו הולכים לעשות באמת בפועל אחרי שאנחנו מסיימים את התואר שלנו.
When they ended the project and started looking for jobs, this was a very good experience for them to show.
אחד הדברים החשובים שהלכתי לראיונות עבודה, זה שאלו אותי איפה עשית פרויקט גמר ומה היה הפרויקט גמר שלך.
whoever will understand what we did here and how much we were involved in the research will see that we really have the ability and we're capable of doing things, and therefore they will respect that this is the knowledge that we have, and I think it will help us wherever we'll go.
בביו-אקספלור, זה היה המקום הראשון שלי כעובד, וזה נתן לי הרבה כלים להסתדר בחוץ.
כמובן שבשבילי עצם ההשתתפות בפרויקט הזה, בפרויקט ביו-אקספלור, הוא יהיה איזושהי קפיצה משמעותית לקריירה.
In the Mediterranean region, people use plants for healing based on folklore. A comprehensive scientific study on the value of plants has not yet been carried out. The results of the broad screening performed during this project will allow us to select plants with higher industrial potential in each of the partners' regions.
We found a lot of plants that we already knew from local knowledge that probably should have some activity, and we actually found. But we also found many new plants that nobody knew that has activity. Seeing that the local data is really verified by science was very excited.
We will be more than happy that if at the end of the day we will have between 20 to 30 different plants from where we could generate some products that can be used in industry. We are looking forward to collaboration with the local and international industry that could take those materials and bring it over to the next step and develop into real products.
Hopefully, the results of the BioExplore project will serve as a first stage in the development of the next anti-cancer drug, a medication for currently incurable diseases, and any other valuable new products derived from plants.